Most people buying a new Jeep Grand Cherokee, which you're seeing behind me, are probably focused on the giant screen, the luxury interior, or the panoramic roof. But honestly, one of the most overlooked parts of this SUV is right above your head. So friends, let's look at the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee, the Grand Cherokee's overhead console. In this video, the safety buttons, the sunroof controls, many people don't fully understand auto close features and the premium feel. Welcome back everyone, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you like what about you see and find it useful, please like it and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And while I have this vehicle for about a week, let me know what other features you would like to know, and I will have specific videos like this that I'm about to show you for your attention. Let's look at the vehicle's overhead console and what it can do that most people probably don't know. So first, let's get inside the vehicle. A very nice, beautiful vehicle in front camera, and look at the overhead console. It has a very beautiful interior, very luxurious, luminous, and we're gonna take a look at the overhead console together. Friends, this overhead console actually controls some of the most important daily use features in the vehicle, and there are a couple things up here that many Jeep owners don't fully understand. So let's start from the two buttons that you see, the blue ASSIST and SOS buttons. These two buttons right here are probably the most important buttons in the Jeep that many people don't talk about, and a lot of times we hope at least the red one will never use. So let's start from the blue button. You see this one? It says just that, blue ASSIST. It's ASSIST. The blue ASSIST button connects you with Jeep, and you connect support services. Depending on your setup and subscription, this can help, for example, with roadside assistance, navigation support, and connected vehicle services. And from what I understand, a lot of owners accidentally press this while cleaning the interior or reaching for sunroof controls. For example, you're cleaning this interior, you can accidentally easily press them. So be careful on that. Now let's look at the red button. It's called SOS button, but this red SOS button is different than the blue button, obviously. This is emergency assistance. If you are in a serious accident, God forbid, or medical emergency, this system can help connect you with emergency services, even if your phone battery is dead or your phone isn't connected. If your phone battery is dead, it's not a big deal because this vehicle has a nice wireless charger here, as you can see. But if you are in an area where you're not connected, let's say your vehicle is in a mountainous areas, you're not connected, this SOS button can be very, very helpful and necessary. I mean, that's one of those features you hope you never need, but it's good knowing it's there, and thank God. Now let's look under these two buttons, where things get very interesting for everyday ownership. These are sunroof controls. You see, one says open close, the other says tilt, vent, and the third one says open auto close. A lot of people don't realize what vent mode actually does. I'm talking about this middle one. I have to start the car in order to explain this to you. Okay. I'm going to press the vent and you can see. Okay, as you can see, my sunroof is opening and it just tilted a little bit. Instead of opening the entire panoramic roof, this slightly tilts the glass upward to let hot air escape. That vent button does. And if your Jeep has been sitting outside in the summer heat, this helps cool the cabin without creating a giant wind tunnel inside. You know, it's a quiet way to get airflow compared to fully opening the roof. Now let's look at the auto open close button. One thing Jeep did really well here is keeping physical controls for the roof. You still get one touch automatic open and close controls, which feels more natural than digging through touchscreen menus while driving. Recently I was at the Kia Telluride Drive event, and as myself and fellow journalist entered the inside the cabin of the 2027 Kia Telluride Hybrid, one thing that he immediately noticed that I'm so glad they preserved the physical buttons. You know, it is if it's, for example, back to this, if it suddenly starts raining while you're parking, you can quickly close everything with one touch instead of holding the button the whole time, for example. Okay, just one touch and it's closing, one touch and it's opening. Okay, let's continue our journey with the head console. Friends, and I've got to say, this Summit trim, which I'm test driving this week, and you will see my review at torquenews.com/Jeep, this whole overhead area actually feels pretty upscale. If you're seeing the metallic trim, do you see the metallic trim around it, the soft touch materials, the clean button layout? This all gives the Grand Cherokee a much more premium feel than a lot of people expect. Personally, I still think physical buttons matter in a vehicle like this. These are controls you use all the time, and muscle memory is a real thing when you're driving. And I'm sharing this with you as a musician, as a pianist. I'm also a professional pianist, and we memorize music with muscle memory, and muscle memory is a real thing. This is why these physical buttons that car makers preserve are very important. And it's funny because most people will remember the screen size of the horsepower numbers, but details like this about the overhead console are what you actually interact with every single day. And honestly, that's where you really learn whether a vehicle was thoughtfully designed or no. What would you think about this? Do you like the interior, and what are your thoughts about Jeep Grand Cherokee's overhead console and the features? This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com, and I'm hoping to bring you several more detailed videos like this about the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let me know if you may have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them. In the meantime, please also visit us at torquenews.com for daily automotive news. God bless you, and if you find this review interesting, useful, please like it and share with your friends.